Hello everyone, Hohem Isteady M7 has been launched a few months ago and this has been sent for testing. Overall packaging, I was impressed. Glossy box and hard carrying case. Inside the box are manuals, cables. It's a Type-C and USB-C charging cable. It has also the tripod and the gimbal itself. Guys, you've seen right. You've seen this big boy Hohem Isteady M7. If you have big phones and you wanna add accessories, still use this one because this one has a 500 grams payload. For first use, it is important to fully charge the gimbal and download the Hohem Joy application. Download the application Hohem Joy for you to be able to use the other features. This can be easily connected via Bluetooth. Inside the application, you will find all the settings needed like video resolution, frame rate, and gesture command, and a lot more. And then you're good to go. I love this detachable touch screen. And also this AI magnetic tracker that has the CCT and RGB fill light. So basically, you can use this with any native phone camera. Been using this and testing for a month now. Big thumbs up for the AI tracker. The detachable touchscreen is also a big help to start and stop the video. And I can see myself live while recording, capturing moments with family, and also even vlogging. So that's it for today's video, guys. I want to say thank you to Hohem. It was the first company who trusted me to review their products. Bye-bye for now and see you on my next video. See you then and God bless. Bye!